10 Everyday Superfoods that Fight Nerve Pain Naturally. Nerve pain, often felt as tingling, burning, or stabbing sensations, can be a daily struggle. While medications offer short-term relief, certain foods can help reduce inflammation and support nerve health naturally. Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 everyday superfoods that can ease nerve pain and strengthen your nervous system. 1. Turmeric, rich in curcumin. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation in nerves. Pair it with black pepper to boost absorption and effectiveness. 2. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. Blueberries help protect nerve cells from damage and support healthy brain function. 3. Spinach, a great source of magnesium and alpha-lipoic acid. Spinach supports nerve function and helps reduce oxidative stress that worsens nerve pain. 4. Chia seeds, high in omega-3 fatty acids. These tiny seeds help repair damaged nerves and lower inflammation in the body. 5. Avocados, loaded with healthy fats and potassium. Avocados help stabilize nerve signals and blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for diabetic neuropathy. 6. Salmon, this fatty fish contains EPA and DHA, two types of omega-3s that reduce inflammation and help regenerate nerve tissues. 7. Broccoli, contains sulforaphane, a natural compound that protects nerves from damage and supports detoxification. 8. Ginger, with its natural compound gingerol. Ginger helps block inflammatory signals and eases nerve discomfort, especially in chronic cases. 9. Almonds, rich in vitamin E and magnesium. Almonds protect nerves and reduce their sensitivity to pain signals. 10. Beets, these vibrant roots increase blood flow and oxygen to nerves, thanks to their nitrate content, helping reduce nerve pain naturally. Adding these superfoods to your daily meals can help reduce nerve pain over time. They're simple, natural, and loaded with compounds that support nerve health from within. For lasting relief, combine them with a balanced lifestyle and medical guidance. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.